This comprehensive five-piece junior drum set includes everything a young, aspiring musician needs to begin their rhythmic journey, from the drums and cymbals to the throne and drumsticks. The drum shells are constructed from horizontally grained poplar wood, a choice that contributes to a surprisingly resonant and powerful sound for a beginner's kit. The set is thoughtfully configured with a 16-inch bass drum, a 10-inch snare, two mounted toms, a floor tom, and an 8-inch hi-hat, providing a genuine drumming experience. Designed with a young player's energy in mind, the kit features a stable, triangular support structure and anti-slip rubber feet to keep everything securely in place during enthusiastic play sessions. An adjustable padded drum throne is included, ensuring young drummers can maintain comfortable and proper posture as they grow and develop their skills. While it requires initial setup, assembly is straightforward with clear instructions, and the vibrant metallic blue finish gives the set an exciting and professional appearance.